Today I'm in Saratoga Springs, a small town with a rich mix of history, culture and flavour. From legendary horse racing and natural mineral springs to revolutionary war landmarks and a thriving art scene, there's plenty to explore. And if you're into food and wine, you'll find no shortage of spots to indulge, including a local favourite, Sweet Mimi's Cafe and Bakery. When I was looking up places to eat in Saratoga Springs, Sweet Mimi's Cafe kept coming up time and time again. The owner has won awards, she's been on multiple TV shows, and I've heard she makes incredible cookies. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Jeanette, it's so lovely to finally meet you. I've heard you're the darling of Saratoga Springs.
Oh, lovely. So nice to have you. Thanks for coming.
Tell me, what's the secret to your success?
It's really not what you see here. The secret to the success of Sweet Mimi's is my exceptional staff and the way that we welcome people in. We make them feel like they're part of our family and they take a seat in our dining room.
But let's just face it, these are also really good.
They are really good, yes.
That looks like a scone to me.
Well, interesting. I went to England recently and I learned a whole lot of things about what we call different things. So this is our flaky buttermilk biscuit. We sell it just like that, or we build sandwiches on it.
Wow, I mean, it's huge. Is that for one person?
We do send a lot of food home. Yes, we do.
I love it. I also noticed up on the chalkboard here, all of the farms that you use. You're very much focused on local ingredients?
Absolutely, which is also part of the magic here.
Yeah.
So anything that I can source within a 60-mile range is what we do, particularly in the summer when the tomatoes are growing locally and asparagus is shooting up. So yeah, that's part of the magic.
Now, I've been told I cannot leave Sweet Mimi's without trying your famous chopped chip cookies.
They are quite something, and I'm about to make a fresh batch. You want to come with me?
Absolutely, we'd love that. All right, Jeanette, what's the secret to a perfect cookie?
Too many to reveal all at once, but the way we're going to mix it, creaming the butter and the sugar for the right amount of time.
Right.
Using really great ingredients. We use local ingredients as much as we can. Our local eggs, flour from Vermont, and Cabot butter, also from Vermont. And then the best selection of chocolate that you can.
And you're using all of that chocolate?
We are, yeah.
Oh, so good.
So to get things started, we're gonna cream up the butter and the sugar, and I use a combination of white sugar and dark brown sugar, which has a little molasses in it. We're going to mix up the dry ingredients. Okay. It's just our all-purpose flour, our baking soda, lots of salt, which is also one of my secrets, and I like to use kosher salt.
Why is that?
And it's just a really pure form of salt, doesn't have any aftertaste.
Right.
And chefs know that the power of salt kind of opens up all that flavor, pours on your tongue. They don't really taste salty, but people just wonder, what is it that makes that cookie special? And I'd have to say it's the salt.
The biggest question with baking is, why are we always adding a pinch of salt to a cake or a pinch of salt to cookies? And that's the reason. It just opens up the flavors.
Yeah,
of
allows
all
you
the
to taste everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So good.
In with the butter. And then the final step will be adding our chocolate. And I like to use two different kinds. We use a really high quality chocolate, but I've got a bitter and a milk.
That's a big mountain of cookie dough right there.
So good. Do you want a bite?
I would love that.
All right. Here, I'll join you. There's nothing better than cookie dough.
So good. I mean, if it tastes good now, cooking is just going to be perfection.
All we need to do now is portion it out. Of course, everything here is oversized, and you're just going to scoop them out.
This is a fabulous tip to get an ice cream scoop so you've got consistency throughout each cookie.
They're all the same size, correct.
And do you press down on your cookies? Do they need to go into the fridge or do they go straight into the oven?
They can go straight into the oven, and we would just press just gently. The more you press, the larger the cookie. If you press it down too much, your edges are going to get really dark and it's going to spread too much. So this is the key to our Kiki cookie.
Okay, so just a little tap.
Just a little tap.
Wow. I don't know which one. Top one's got my name all over it. Oh, it's just perfection right there. Oh, look at that. Jeanette, did I mention that I am a cookie connoisseur? I go around and try a lot of cookies. And may I say, this is an exceptional cookie.
Thank you so much.
Crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside, but not too chewy. Almost melts in your mouth, it's that good. And the ratio of chocolate to cookie is spot on. I now know why you are so popular. The problem is, I've only tried the cookie. I need to try everything else too.
Yes, you do. We'll send you home with some.
I'll send me home with some and I'll definitely be back because this is such a beautiful little place in Saratoga Springs.
Thank you so much.
Cookie, it's the best.